Morning YouTube, how are we all? So today the plan is to go and shoot the C63. It's a very cool back section of country road near me, and the weather forecast today is meant to be pretty misty. So the idea behind the shoot is to capture the C63 with some cool misty scenes. So it's about half an hour drive from where I am, so let's get going. First things first, I need to give the cats their breakfast. Just jumped in the car and it is freezing, man. This is going to be good fun. Let's hope it's nice and misty. But yeah, obviously forgot to go and get fuel, didn't I? So I'll need to go and do that now. So got some fuel. Now it's time to head up to the wind farm, so probably take about 25 minutes from where I am, half an hour. Kind of hitting rush hour traffic as well, which isn't great. It is what it is. It's what you have to do to get some cool content. So unfortunately it's not very misty at all, so that's not great, but it's a very cool like country back road, so we'll definitely get some cool shots regardless. About 10 minutes away from meeting Ryan, and then we'll get set up and then we can get some cool rolling shots of the C63. Let's do it. We have arrived, and there is the main man right there. Right, so set up, ready to go. 2 cars are behind me, so we're about to get going. It is absolutely Baltic up here. I'll flip the camera around so you can show you where we are. But it's pretty cool. Both cars got the DJI Mic 2 set up on the back of the C63, and on Ryan's MK8 GTI we have the Pocket 3 ready to go. This is probably the coolest camera car that's out there.
It can be, yeah.
But they look absolutely sick.
We're talking.
Nice. So yeah, we're going to do some rolling shots first through this cool section of back road, and we'll see hopefully how they turn out. Hopefully they'll look awesome. Oh, it's chilly. It is chilly. Right, let's do it. Say your name, you got in the car.
Just blanket all the
Fucking hell, mate. It's like Christmas on there. Yeah, that's absolutely sick. So this is us getting ready to go. Oh my god. It is freezing. If you guys are also fairly new to the channel, I do a lot of stuff over on Instagram where I've got, at time of filming, about 138,000 followers. If you want to check it out on Instagram as well, I'll put a link in the description to my page. Yeah, that's my Instagram there. So I do a lot of cool content on my C63 on there, build updates and that sort of thing. So if you feel like that'll be something that you're interested in, drop me a wee follow. I would appreciate it. Yeah, we were hoping it was going to be a lot mistier than what it is, but unfortunately it's not. Just need to see how it goes, I guess. I also need to get a quiet compressor because of that. It's loud. Loud.
Oh, even that shot right there, we've nailed it already. Right, come straight in the middle. This looks insane. Wee bit of speed.
Fucking hell, man, my back end was going there.
Yes.
I could feel it losing traction. How did they look? Oh, you caught the mist there. Oh no. A bit dirty. Wow, look at that view, man.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
No! No! Oh no!
When it said disconnected, it was actually disconnected.
When did that happen? As in the start, just
Pulled out.
really? Oh well, it's mission to go and recover the mic too. Oh dear. Yeah, so I don't know if you've seen what happened there. We obviously put the mic 2 on the back of Ryan's Golf, which we were capturing audio, and now the mic is no longer on his Golf. So we need to go and see if we can retrieve it. Hopefully we'll find it. Oh man, I feel bad for him. The joys of creating content. Don't get the suction phone holder from Amazon, because the suction clearly is I'm just hoping that nobody's driven over it and absolutely crushed it to bits. Oh dear. That's not ideal. So we're just approaching the bit of road where we think it might be. Oh my god, it's right where we left it. So this is where we started. Wait till you see this.
So mind how I said everyone will ask what this mount is? Don't bother asking what this mount is.
Yeah. Oh my god. Mate, I wondered, see when you were previewing that footage and all we could hear was wind noise. I was like, that doesn't sound right.
The only thing I was thinking of, maybe the heat from this.
Yeah, maybe. We could try clipping it onto the plate. There'll be something that's better.
Without the sticky pad with their actual...
There must be something. In fact, do you know what actually? Don't know if I've got something in my camera bag that could work. So obviously I also bought the same one, which is trash. So Amazon, apps the car holder, garbage. See how this one is. Well, don't use this one either. Oh god. At least it's going to make a good YouTube video, mate.
Yeah, we can try that.
I mean, to be fair, that was not going to go anywhere. How's about this? Some 3M? I mean, just to be safe, it might be wise to put a wee bit of this on it. What a carry on.
That first 7 minutes of footage has no audio.
No audio in the first 7 minutes. Right, round 2. Here we go again, guys. Let's hope it works this time. Could have been a lot worse, I guess. Look at the size of this thing. Right, my man, ready to go? Good to go? Really forgot to turn the f***ing mic on. Oh, well, what a carry on. At least it'll make for good YouTube content.
So it's not said it's disconnected yet, so that's a good thing.
Well, thank for that.
Mate, I feel as if we've sussed that out, because that will work on any car now.
So it worked out fine this time, mate.
Yep.
She's a wee bit dirty. Right, let's check.
Yeah.
Hey, fucking come on! Oh, superb. Well, that's a wrap. Successful day shooting the GTI and the C63. Few slight issues. We got there in the end. Let's see how they turn out. Yeah, so that's it. Shooting wrapped up on this freezing cold Scottish Tuesday morning. A few issues, but we got...
They were rectified.
Yeah, they were rectified and we got there in the end, so let me know in the comments what you want to see from the channel. Like I said, this is a fairly new thing for me, so I'm not sure what sort of content you guys want to see. Let me know in the comments, because there'll be a lot more cool content from this shoot that I'll be posting over on my Instagram as well, so you can check it out there. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.